How to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the Microsoft Authenticator app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll actually need to do is check your internet connection. So check your internet connection if you have a stable connection or not. And even if you do, just make sure that you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on. After you do that, you can head over to the Authenticator app to just check it out again. The other thing that you'll actually need to do is turn on notification for the Microsoft Authenticator app, because whenever you get a code, it actually needs to notify you using their notifications. So head over to the notification section of the Authenticator app and turn it on. After you do that, you can head back, and after you head back, now what you'll need to do is update the app. Head over to App Store, simply search for Microsoft Authenticator. After you search for Microsoft Authenticator, simply update the app to the latest version. There you see the update button. Tap on update and let it update. Now that's the only thing that you can actually do, and the last thing that we'll do is we'll set our date and time to automatic. So head over to your settings again, and after you're on your settings, what you'll do is you'll head over to general, scroll down, and there you will see date and time. Here you will see set date, so tap on set automatically, and what this will do is this will sync your mobile and the Authenticator app, and that is how you fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on your iPhone and Android. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.